Here's how to use fiberglass bats to insulate wall cavities with fast, professional results. Whether your project calls for faced or unfaced insulation, the basic process is the same. Cut open the bag to release the insulation. You'll notice these pink next-gen fiberglass bats recover instantly to their full thickness. If using another insulation, you may need to shake and fluff the bat to help it expand. Place the insulation gently into the cavity, filling it top to bottom, side to side, and back to front, with no gaps or compression. If needed, trim bats to fit. For short cavities, cut the bat 1/2 inch longer than the opening. For narrow cavities, cut 1 inch wider. This helps optimize contact with the framing without compressing the insulation. Pink next-gen fiberglass is easy to split or cut around obstructions. Split by pulling apart the bottom or top of the bat to allow wires to be in the middle of the bat. Or cut the back of the bat where the wires are running and then push the bat over the wires. Cut around electrical receptacles, pipes, or other obstructions, and use the cutout piece to fill the void behind the obstruction. Avoid compressing the insulation, which can reduce performance. For friction-fit installation of faced insulation, make sure the edges of the facing are even with the face of the wall stud. If stapling is needed or required, you can inset staple the flange to the interior side of the stud, or face staple it to the framing. Repair any tears in the facing material and finish by promptly installing drywall or other interior finishing materials. For more information, watch the other videos in this series or visit pinknextgen.com.